Today I'll teach you how to remove your WhatsApp call link on iPhone. So you can click on calls at the bottom of your screen and over here click on create call link. Once you click on create call link, a call link is going to be given on your WhatsApp account. And if you share that call link with anyone, they can easily add you on WhatsApp and call you on WhatsApp, alright? Now let's say you don't want that call link or you want that call link to be deleted. Now there is no way you guys can delete the call link from inside WhatsApp. The only way you guys can create a new call link is to do this. First, I would suggest you to back up your WhatsApp. So go on settings, click on chats, click on chat backup, click on backup now. What this is going to do is this is going to back up your WhatsApp chat. Once your WhatsApp chat is backed up, delete your WhatsApp. Now you want to delete your WhatsApp and reinstall it again. So what that is going to do is by deleting and reinstalling your WhatsApp, your call link is also going to be deleted, and when you install a new WhatsApp, it is going to give you a new call link. So that is the only way you guys can remove WhatsApp call link on iPhone. Once you do that, your old call link will not work. That is why I told you to back up your chat, because if you delete WhatsApp without backing up your chat, all of your chat will be deleted. So make sure to do that. So that is how you guys can remove WhatsApp call link on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.